turn on and turn off for apartment 1 or 2. Apartment 1 is what we're using right now. You grab the washer key and hopefully it works. There. Open the door. To operate the dryers, each one is locked separately, so you have to unlock your padlock. Remove it. Flip this up out of the way and turn it on.
But make sure the dryer is off before you do that. It's supposed to be like there
Keep the dryer off.
before you do that.
And then when you're done drying your clothes, make sure the dryer is in the off position when you lower the lever. So to operate the dryer, you just simply put it on your on position and then start it. We do ask that you keep the lint trap clean. We will have it cleaned here and ask that you keep it that way.
So please do not
So when you're done with your dryer,
don't open the door.
lower the lever midway, drop this down, put your padlock into position, lock it, and now it's ready for the next person to use it. So if apartment 2 comes along after you and wants to use it, they have to go through the step of unlocking their lock, moving this into a position where you can then lower this lever down into position and engage inside there. Please don't enter into this. We will be locking it so that you can't enter it. So keep that closed. That's it. If you have any questions, get in touch with BJ.